Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Aohi MagCube 30,000 milliamp 100 watt power delivery 2-port power bank. That is a lot to say, but which means you can power a laptop with this. You can power your iPhone 13 Pro Max, your regular iPhone, your iPad Pro, your Samsung smartphones, your headphones, your Nintendo Switches, video game units, so many things with this one device. So you can get up to 18 watts out of the USB-A port right here, 100 watts out of that USB-C port right here. This is 30,000 milliamps. They also offer a 20,000 milliamp version. They have an on button right here. You can see the LEDs of the charge level right there. There would be 4 lights if it was fully charged. So this is almost there. 30,000 milliamps is a lot. You can charge so many devices if you're gone for a full day or on a trip or going backpacking or what have you. Here's some more details. But basically what this has to offer is if you have both ports being used, the USB-A and USB-C port, you'll get 65 watts out of the USB-C port in addition to 18 watts out of this port right here. So if you're just using this, it's 100 watts, and if you're just using this, it's 18. But if you're using both, it's 65 and 18. 30,000 milliamps is a lot of power that you can use for your iPhones and your other Android smartphones or whatever else that you're using that can do power delivery and USB-C or USB-A charging. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.